Hello guys, Mrs. O here. How are you? I hope all of you are well and healthy. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. And please subscribe, click the button below. I would love you to be a member of my community here. And welcome. My vlogs is just anything and everything, alright? On that, I appreciate you and thank you to my subscribers. Welcome back, guys. So yes, don't forget to click the notification bell as well, on that you are notified if I have a new upload. So happy Friday everyone, how are you? So it's my unboxing day. I just decided to film this one. I just want to show you it's my Shein unboxing day, and I have another oh my god, it's a big box, guys. Look at this. It's like Christmas in August. So since my bags aren't here yet, so I will just do this unboxing for you guys. I want to show you, my daughter, I have a teenager, she really loves their sweatpants. I love their sweatpants too. But then this, I think she already have a lot of sweatpants, so she is been asking, she is growing. She is asking for hoodie, you know. Our fall season here is around the corner, so I can't wait. I love that. I love the weather in fall. It's sweater days, you know. All right, so let's begin. Okay, I don't know, I hope I can. I will just so yes guys, I decide to just do unboxing. Something to do, you know. So yes, wow, I hope I don't cut anything inside. Okay. I am cutting here, guys, and I hope I will not cut myself. There you go. It's a success. All right, let's begin. Let's begin, guys. Oh my god. It's Christmas in August, so yes, here we go. I love their sweater. So there you go. You know, guys, I love their bags. I can use this to put the shoes in and pile them in the rack. You know. What is the size of this? Oh, I get this medium. Is that so cute, guys? I am attracted of something, what do you call it, floral. So yes, isn't that cute, guys? So this is medium, a good quality. It's has a weight, but it's like, here I am again, it's like a good drop, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so that is number one, and here another. You know, guys, in winter time here, it's really very, very frugal. Oh wow, this is nice. This time my daughter wants large, and I tried large too because it's nice to be so comfy, guys. This kind is really good for winter. So yes, we are good for winter. So this is their large, guys. It's really, see, so I like that. I like that kind of so big. So my daughter is taller than me, and she is only 16. Okay. I love sweaters, guys, you know. I like it when they have, you know what is good in Shein? When you are shopping, you save a coupon. So it's really nice, you know. And then when they have their like sale going on, guys, this is really nice. This is medium. It's nice in fall season, OOTD, right, guys? So yes, that is large. You know, guys, if you watch my latest unboxing of Shein, I fall in love with the top. It's real, so I get more in different color. I love this. This is really good in summertime and something what you call it, inner, right? And then a jacket. So this one I believe is large. I think this large, I mean medium. Oh my god. So yes, guys, this is really nice. That's for myself. So I am waiting for, while I'm waiting for my breakfast, guys, I said I will just do this unboxing for you guys. Wow, there you go. Large. This is for my daughter. Wow, this is weird. How big the other one large, and this is large, and it's not that big like the other one. But yes, it's good for winter. It's really nice inside. It's like, I forgot that I forget the kind, guys, but it's really good for winter. There you go, another one. My daughter loves purple. What is this? Oh, there is no tag in this. It's weird. But it's just thin. Not so thin, but it's just, I think, it's not good for snowy, you know what I'm saying? So this is good for fall. Okay. Guys, yes, oh my god, you know what? I don't know what is the size on this, but I've been wanting, oh wow, this is large. You know, I've been wanting to have a sports bra, and then when I got my sports bra in Kohl's, you know, those Adidas and Armour medium size, it's so small to me. So I tried this one. This is really, maybe they are in their sizing for this is really good, because I got the large because I am scared might it's the same to, you know, to the other brand. This is large. Oh my god, this is really big, you know. So I just try it. So next time I will get the medium size. All right. Another one. Oh, let me see. This one there just has a large, but there is no Shein tag in there, but this is large, and it's also good. The kind is good for winter. So I am, this is for me because my daughter likes the zipper. I don't mind this one, and these are on sale. That's what I love about it, when they have sale, guys. You know, stay tuned, guys. What is this? Oh my god, wow, look at this. Their medium is so big. Maybe you have to do like that, you know. On this kind, the medium from I usually get the medium, and then this one is really big for medium, so this is the first time. It really maybe depends of the thing, so maybe my daughter will love this. Wide pants, this is really good for summer time. I love the, let's see if it says what kind is this. So now it's just the Shein, and then the size in there. Maybe my daughter will like that, guys. Oh my god, I am ready for winter. I told you. Wow, look at this. What is this? Medium. Medium is really enough for me. This is the sweatpants, guys. And again, this the what you call it, the kind is really good for winter. I can't get the word, guys, but it's good for the winter. Thermal, maybe? Am I right? Please comment down below. I think it's thermal. So yes, guys, what is this? Medium, I believe. Yep. Oh my god, feeling like teenager, but it's so beautiful. Kind of pink. So I am excited for cold weather. Guys, I'm not a fan of hot weather. I'm okay up to 75. You know, this is for my daughter. Wow, they're large, and this is not too big. It's different. All right, so he is ready for cold weather. Guys, another one. Guys, I'm like, you know, guys, if I am in my country, maybe what I'm doing is selling clothes. I like selling, guys. So here again, another color. I'm loving them. Oh my god, it's so very comfortable. Like, it feels like you don't wear anything. So that's why I bought more. Okay, this is really more sweatshirt, guys. Sweater. And I hope this is really different kind, but I hope she will be okay with this. And again, this is the large size. Maybe this is the kind of like a crop kind of sweater, and then because I get the large, well, she told me hoodie, zipper, so that's all I got for her. Another one, I really love a symbol of butterflies, guys. I don't know, butterfly is just, there you go. Another sweatshirt for myself is just okay. It's not this is good for fall season, you know. Yes, guys, again, look at that. Large is really big compared to the other kind. Their large is like Maybe those kind is like a crop sweater, you know. Oh my god, guys, this bear, oh my god, kind of bear sweater. What is this? Medium. Oh, I love the feeling, you know, in winter time. Oh, so yes guys, I am hooked in a Shein because, as I've said, you save while you're shopping, you save coupons, and then you can use them, and then if they have on sale, it's really nice. So this is for my daughter. What is this? Some of them, they don't have tags, you know what I'm saying. So this is the plaid. She likes this kind. Okay, another one. So large is really good for winter. So they have different kinds, you know, of the feeling of the sweater, if I make sense. All right guys, so I'm almost done. Two more. What is this? Oh wow, oh wow, this is weird. Oh my god. I don't know that it's like this. I don't know guys what kind of hello again guys. I need to erase something for I can continue to film. So yes, I was showing this one, and yeah, the quality, it feels like plastic. I don't know, so I don't like the quality, the feeling of this. It's not, I don't know, it's not pleasant to my touch, if I make sense. And then this one too, if you can hear it, so I don't know. So that is the like 1 to 10, I give that 1. I don't like. So the last one, this one, I remember I got the burgundy of this, and in person it looks like fuchsia, but it's okay. So that's all for today guys. Thanks for your time. All right, and that's all my Shein haul for today, and thanks for your time again. And this is Mrs. O, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. It's like a Christmas in August. So see you to my next vlog guys. And yes, I put an order, and let's see if we will be surprised again with bags. All right guys, so stay well and stay safe, and have a wonderful weekend to you guys. All right, this is Mrs. O again, and please like and subscribe. Bye. You take care guys.